Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So in today's painting, I am doing a seascape painting which has a sailing boat as well. I'm using lemon yellow acrylics and also orange and aqua green acrylic as a background. The orange and the yellow blends in to give a beautiful sunset effect of the sky, and the aqua green is for the sea. I have also done various seascape paintings on my channel, so if you haven't already watched those videos, please go ahead and watch those videos and give it a thumbs up. Dry the first layer before adding the sailing boat and the ocean waves. If any one of you is interested in buying the art, you can email me at happycolorsquare@gmail.com, or you can even message me on Instagram. And yeah, currently I'm trying to work on the website as well and how to get it sorted out so the paintings can be available for sale as well, and many other paintings which obviously I don't shoot all the paintings but which are not shown on this platform will also be available for sale, so I'm trying to work that out as well. Now I'm using permanent blue color and a spatula or a flat smoothing to give it a waves effect, because this is a bit of impressionism style of painting, so I don't want to make a thorough detail of the waves out here. It's gonna be in a very textured manner. Mix white as well to give it a waves effect, because the water also in the waves you can see the white foam and the white color of the sea, and that's what I'm trying to achieve on the painting. I am also using the palette knife and gesso. So the gesso helps in giving texture and layer to the waves. beautiful effect to the painting. I'm using a hair dryer to dry the final layer of the painting as the painting has been completed. And thank you for watching, guys, means a lot. Thank you.